Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, RV East Coast. Today we have some exciting stuff to share with you.
Yeah, so last week we did a video about transient versus seasonal. And this week we wanted to complete that topic.
So we have a fun story to share with you. Our friend Beth, who has been here for 10 years, is sharing why they became a seasonal, why they got into it, and she has a pretty cool story.
Yeah, so we wanted to share with you this story that is a little bit more visual than what we did last week, instead of us just
talking.
Yeah, we have a really beautiful little film to share with you. If you like dogs, you're gonna love this one. So yeah, let's see the little film, and after that, what's happening?
Well, we have some exciting stuff to share with you about our channel. It's been growing and everything, so we want to talk about that. And what else?
Let's read some comments from last week's video about seasonals, right?
Yeah, we've been getting a lot of great comments, so we want to share some of those.
Yeah, many of you have been talking about the good timing of the video because you have been thinking of getting a seasonal site or have been considering it. So without further
ado,
let's see Beth's story.
We started camping because we wanted to travel, and we had 2 dogs, and I refused to put them in a kennel because they're spoiled. So we got a camper so that they could come with us, and they love camping as much as we do. My name is Beth Foley. I'm from Topton, Pennsylvania, and we've been coming to Whippoorwill Campground as a seasonal for over 10 years now. We started out as transient campers coming weekends, and then we started doing their gas saver program where you could leave the camper here and just pay when you came on the weekends. And the one weekend, some friends were here with us and they said, "We're not leaving, we want to stay." And they're like, "You stay too." And here we are. Over 10 years we've been seasonal. Our favorite thing about camping is it's just relaxing to get away and spend some family time together. We really enjoy coming down here and just being away from home, you know, not worrying about, you know, cleaning the house, doing the yard work, mowing the grass. It's a break. It's a break away from home to come and relax, sit, see friends, and just enjoy each other and enjoy our time. Another benefit about being seasonal is you can come and go when you please. You know, right now with the coronavirus that's going on, I've been working from down here, and it's really nice during the week. It's so quiet. There's not as many people that come during the week. Even in the middle of the summer, you still have some seasonals, but you don't have all the transients that are coming on weekends. Another thing about being seasonal here is that you get to know everybody, and you feel that your kids can go off on their own and visit other seasonal sites and see their friends, and it's comfortable to you because it's a small community. You just feel safe with them going off with friends, and you get to know, they build lasting relationships and they become good friends, and it just feels safe. Because Whippoorwill Campground isn't a very large campground, you get to know everybody here very well. You know, I know almost everybody at every site, and I especially know the names of the dogs. Even though I might not know the people's, I know all the dogs. My dogs are like my kids to me. They do whatever I do. We take them to the beach when they're allowed to go to the beach off season, and even when they're not allowed on the Ocean City beaches, they are allowed on Stone Harbor's beaches every day from 6 to 9 p.m. So we'll take them down there. And they love walking around the campground, and they love it here too. They get all excited as soon as we pull in. They know we're here and they're like ready to get out, ready to go.
So how about that? We hope you like that story. Beth has been such a great neighbor here, and I think that's one of the things I like about being a seasonal, right?
Yeah, I do think that what she said in the video about you develop this sense of community, that's how I think we are starting to feel as being seasonals, as there is just this sense of community and camaraderie. So yeah, nice job.
So we also wanted to talk about what has been happening in the channel lately. I don't know if you have noticed, but during the last 2 weeks, 2 weeks and a half, our channel more than doubled in size. and that has been such an exciting time for Fawn and I, because we put a lot of time and a lot of effort into this little channel.
Mostly you.
So to see that finally we are starting to take off and our community is growing and our videos are getting a little bit more exposure is a great time. It's a great thing. And that didn't happen just because I'm so handsome. I mean, she's gorgeous, but obviously. But a few days ago, friends of us from the channel, You, Me, and the RV, Phil and Stacy, Phil, did I mention that right? Gave us a shout out on their channel, and they say that that they really like our channel, and many of their viewers came over. So if you are part of their community, thank you so much for being here.
Yeah. Yes, thank you so much for subscribing. We're really excited. I know especially I'm excited for Eli because he's the one that does all the work and all the filming and all the editing.
Yeah.
And I'm excited that our channel's growing and people like what you do.
Yeah, so thank you so much, Phil and Stacy. You don't know this, but for a long time, Phil has been telling me in a little creators community that we have from Keep Your Daydream, he always says, hey Eli, slow but sturdy, you know, like they're steady.
Yes,
there
slow
you go.
Steady.
They are military people. They're both Navy retired officers, and I guess that discipline is what he has been preaching. So go check their channel and drop a comment in their channel saying thank you for supporting RV East Coast. Yeah. Who else?
Also Playing with Sticks. Their names are
Drew, May,
East, and Rye.
You know the name of the kids, right?
Yeah, because I like those names. So they gave us a shout out too the same week, and it really boosted our subscribers and our views. So thank you so much to you guys as well.
You guys please go check Drew's channel. It's amazing. It's about teardrop camping, your favorite, right?
Yeah, sounds right up my alley.
But they are located in Alaska, and
again, right up my alley.
Every video that they make is like a painting behind them. The beauty is really breathtaking. So Drew, thank you so much for the support. Go check their channel, right? And should we read a few comments?
Yeah, let's read some funny.
All right, and where's my phone?
Before we get to the comments, we do have one more exciting thing to announce. So, hold on. We've been selling some merch. We started with stickers.
Right, which by the way, how do you get the stickers? I don't think we never mentioned it here.
We might not have. So most people just come to our Facebook page and send us a private message with your address, and we'll give you the link to how you can pay for them through PayPal. And then a lot of people have been asking us about t-shirts. So they've seen us sporting them because we bought some for us and our family. But we are excited to announce that we are going to start selling t-shirts soon. It's going to be for a limited time through Bonfire. We're going to put out a video later this week to tell you all about it and to get you excited. That's going to be happening this month in August.
Yeah, so if you are one of those that have been asking us about it, keep an eye for that video this week, and don't wait until the end of the campaign. Please put your orders early, right?
Yeah, I think we have to sell a minimum. So if we don't sell them, then we'll try again another time. But,
all right.
Okay, so comments. So this one is from Sally Ann. Sally Ann is a big fan of our channel. She said, really good discussion. We were seasonal when the kids were little. Bill and I would never do that now. Enjoy seeing new places and meeting new people. We agree with you, Sally Ann.
Do you think we're gonna travel more when the kids go to college and everything, or you think we're gonna settle down then?
College? What the? I'm not thinking that far ahead of time.
Oh, you think I'm not gonna make it that far?
I don't know.
Yeah, with the kind of stress that I am exposed to.
Okay. Michael C. said, my wife and I have been planning to go full time and have talked about getting a seasonal site to stay at when we are in town visiting family.
That's
good.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Keep up the great videos. God bless you guys, and keep safe on your journey.
Thank you, Michael. Same. During the winter, we have a seasonal site at the driveway.
At the driveway of my parents, yeah. All right, Cadman5858 said, you guys are awesome. We really enjoy your family and your videos. You, Me, and the RV recommended you guys. So to get caught up, we binged your old videos. Oh, wow. You'll see a big difference. And thoroughly enjoyed them. Keep them coming. Look forward to seeing you on the road one day. Fly, Eagles, fly. Mark and Joanne from Naples, Florida. Formerly
Thank you so much.
Philly, Jersey area. And
Awesome.
diehard Eagles fans.
There you go.
We're not diehard, but we are Eagles fans.
That's right.
All right, and Drew Ann Hartley says, great video as always. You bring up great points for both. We have looked into doing just a month at a private campground for these reasons. But at the same time, we love exploring new areas of New York State. It's a toss-up. Oh, and I about fell out of my chair at MoFo.
Well, there you go.
Thank you guys for the
Thank you so
comments.
much for your comments. And if you have any more comments or thoughts about seasonal, this is our last video in the topic, so leave your comments below. And that's all we have for you today.
All right.
Next Monday, another video. I mean, this week, video about the t-shirts, and next Monday, our regular scheduled video. Enjoy your next trip at the campground. Thank you for watching.
Yeah. Thank you.
Bye-bye. See you
Bye.
later. Ready?
Ready.
All right. Let's do it. Who's gonna start?
Hey, everyone.
And project your voice a little. Let's see this. I'm sorry.
So we've been selling stickers.
Finally.
Yeah. So we've been selling stickers.
I'm sorry.
That was your cue.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah.
Okay. Ready? All right. All right. Before we get to the comments, we do have one more exciting